Hello friends, today is cleaning day in my house. So I just got done cleaning my bathroom with my handy dandy 31 caddy that I keep all my cleaning supplies in. But I wanted to make a little quick video because there's something I've been avoiding cleaning that I thought would be a really good way to show you another way that you can use our 31 products to organize under your bathroom sink. Now this is full disclosure, this is kind of gross. Not gross like germy gross, but just messy gross. And I love an organized house, but I have to confess that under my bathroom sink, it's a little bit of a train wreck, okay? So I'm gonna show you the before, and then I'm gonna use these 3 products to get it organized and cute, and then I will show you the after. So you're gonna see, this is real deal, what it looks like under my bathroom sink. And this is coming from an organization expert, okay? Now, as you can see, I've got some 31 here. I've got a double duty caddy, I've got a bin, I've got some toiletry cases, but overall, it's a hot mess under here. So stay tuned for the after. All right, so I'm still in the bathroom, but I cleaned out everything. So cleaned out everything, got all the like trash out, just things to donate that I'm never gonna use, makeup and things like that, and then trash, right? But I wanted to show you before I fill it up, the 3 products. So this is the Deluxe Double Duty Caddy. This is a fold and file. It also has pockets on the front too. And then this is another Deluxe Double Duty Caddy. And the reason that these work so well under the bathroom sink is because they leave space for your pipes, right? You can fill them up, and of course they're not full right now, so they look thin, but once you fill them up, they'll be nice and full and sturdy. And so I want to show you before I put all the stuff away, what they look like and why these are the ones that I chose, because they're like the perfect shape for under the sink. All right, so you're ready for the finished product. So the cool thing about this is I have plenty of room. Not that I really want to fill this back up, but I still have plenty of room to, if I needed to add things, like there's pockets here, if there's things that I wanted to be able to grab quickly. But I basically categorized everything by like lotions, and this is like facial stuff, and here's all back stock for like cotton balls and Q-tips, and more toiletries and things. But I basically have it all grouped together for what I need. It's easy access. You can grab it in, or you can pull out the whole bin. And also the nice thing is they have these pockets on the side, so you can really get rid of some of your boxes and just put your little packets and things in the pockets. Also, I utilize some of the back space. This is like all my nail polish that I have another 31 bin nail polish and pedicure stuff, and then my travel bag. So when I do travel, that's what I bring for on the go. So nice and tidy, way better. It was a hot mess, and now I'm pretty pleased with how it came out. So again, these are the Deluxe Double Duty Caddies and the fold and file. Great for under the sink organization. Have a great day, friends.